I have this grandfather clock in for restoration. It looks like a Liverpool case. I haven't seen the dial, so I don't know who the maker is. It will tell you on there. It had 3 glass panels in the top. This bit's broken off, so I need to rebuild that. And this, which I made previously, will sit on the top. Like I said, I took the glass panels out. So all the decoration's worn off mostly. I can still pick out some of the design there. So I'll draw up another pattern. If I can get any detail off the other one, I'll do that as well, because I want to get it as close as possible to the original. And I'll repaint these. Obviously replace the glass on those. They're held in with a little wooden backboard. But this one, when I took this off, had that written underneath it. Now I think this says Mr. Island Freeze, which is this bit below the top moulding. The original broken, because there's a little EN at the top there that looks at things as if it didn't quite fit on. Glazed by somebody, Barton Glazer. So it would have been an instruction in the workshop. So maybe even when it was new, when they were building it, the original got bust and they had to replace it, or it's a later restoration and it's just an instruction. And that's quite interesting. You don't usually see things like that, and that's never been seen since it was made, because that's never been out of there. So that's quite interesting. It's quite nice seeing things like that. I'm just roughing out the design, trying to pick it out from what's left of this. I've traced out the outside edge, which is still fairly clear. The very faint ones I've just roughly marked in to try and get the flow and the design. These bits, these little buds, come round and they sweep right round here, which you can see on this one. So it's just picking out little bits, just roughing it out, and then I'll start tracing it through again and putting the detail in until I'm happy, and then I can start to cut some glass, paint it on. And the backs on these are painted black. Normally they're blue. Most of them I've seen. I think I've seen black ones before, but usually they're blue, but these aren't, so I'll use probably blackboard paint or something. This bit in the middle I'm not so keen on. It's a bit of that to guess because there's absolutely nothing on the originals that I can copy. So I've drawn it up a little bit more in the middle. So what I'll do is I'll scrape that off and repaint that bit, and then I'll do the other one on the other side.